In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce. We'll walk through deleting a sample campaign so we can bring it back from the recycle bin, confirm that it's restored, and then look at bulk restore and permanent delete options, including how to empty the org-wide recycle bin. I'll keep the steps clear and add context so you know exactly what each action does and when to use it. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. From the top navigation, open the Campaigns tab. If you don't see it, it may be tucked under the More menu. Choose a safe test record for this demo. Next, open the More Actions menu for that campaign, the three-dot or down arrow icon to the right of the record in the list view, and select Delete. When Salesforce asks you to confirm, click Delete again. This removes the record from active views, but don't worry, it isn't gone forever. Salesforce first sends it to the recycle bin. If a toast or dialog remains open after the action, close it by clicking the small X. Now let's restore it. Open the app launcher, the grid icon in the upper left, and search for Recycle Bin. Select Recycle Bin to open it. Here you'll see a list of items that were recently deleted. Locate the campaign you just removed. If you have many items, try sorting by the deleted date column or using search. Then select the checkbox next to your campaign. At the top, you'll see action buttons for delete and restore. Delete here would permanently remove the item. For our purpose, click Restore. Salesforce brings the campaign back to its original state, including most related data that can be restored. You should see a success message confirming the restore. To verify, head back to Campaigns using the navigation bar. Open the recent list view or the relevant list you were using and look for the campaign you just restored. It should now appear again as an active record, ready to open and use. If it doesn't show up right away, try refreshing the page or switching list views. Sometimes it takes a moment for the list to update. Next, let's look at bulk actions in the recycle bin. Open the app launcher again, select Recycle Bin, and this time use the header checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible items. With multiple records selected, you can bring them back all at once by clicking Restore. This is a great time saver after accidental bulk deletes or when cleaning up test data. If you instead need to permanently remove selected items, perhaps duplicates or irrelevant test records, click Delete. Keep in mind, this permanent delete bypasses recovery, so use it only when you're absolutely sure. You may also need the right permissions to perform permanent deletes, depending on your organization's settings. Finally, if you have the appropriate admin level access and want to clear everything at once, choose Empty Org Recycle Bin. This action removes all items currently in the organization's recycle bin and cannot be undone. It's powerful and should typically be reserved for intentional cleanup after ensuring nothing important remains. A few quick best practices as you work. Restores generally succeed when the original conditions still allow the record to exist. If something blocks the restore, like validation rules, required fields, or changes to record ownership, you may need to resolve that and try again. The recycle bin keeps items for a limited time, typically around 15 days or until storage limits are reached, so don't wait too long to recover anything critical. And when testing, delete only sample data or work in a sandbox to prevent surprises. That's it. You learned how to delete a record for demonstration, find it in the recycle bin, restore it, confirm it's back in campaigns, and use bulk restore, permanent delete, and empty org recycle bin for broader cleanup. Thanks for watching, and happy restoring.